In a race across the United States, who would win? Light, an Olympic sprinter, sound, or me? Light can travel 186,000 miles in 1 second. Another way to look at it is if we set up mirrors on either side of the US 3,000 miles from one another, in 1 second, the beam of light would bounce back and forth 62 times. And let's compare that to an Olympic sprinter, the fastest of which topped out at a speed of 27.33 miles per hour. So to cross the US, the sprinter would take, let's do the math. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. And so if 3,000 miles divided by 27.33 miles per hour, you cancel out the miles and you're left with 110 hours, which is equal to 4.6 days. Now you know sound is fast, but you should also know that light is faster. Sound travels 767 miles per hour through 70-degree air, but that speed changes depending on temperature and the medium or substance it's traveling through. So I did the math, and it would take sound 3.9 hours to cross the United States. Sound and light have another advantage, however. They don't have to speed up or accelerate. The moment they start, boom, they're going full speed. Because light and sound are forms of energy. They're not made of matter. Things made of matter, like you and me, we need energy to accelerate. A quick science quiz. Through which medium does sound travel fastest? Air, water, or a solid like aluminum? Stay tuned for the answer. Now let's look at if I could win the race, but I'm gonna cheat a little bit and jump in the Parker Solar Probe. This NASA spacecraft just hit a top speed of 395,000 miles per hour, breaking the record for fastest spacecraft. And in it, I could cross the USA in just 27 seconds. So coming in first in the race across the country is light, taking just 0.02 seconds. I come in second place, which isn't too shabby, at 27 seconds. Sound is a solid third with 3.9 hours, and the poor fastest person on Earth is last, taking 4.6 days. How demoralizing. And now to answer the quick science quiz. Sound travels slowest through air at a speed of 767 miles per hour. The next fastest is water, where sound speeds through it at 3,350 miles per hour, and fastest by far is aluminum, a solid that crushes the competition at 14,360 miles per hour. And there you have it. Light is incredibly fast, but there's one problem. In reality, a beam of light would never make its way across the country. It would scatter in the atmosphere and ultimately just be gone. Which is also the case with sound. The sound energy would scatter and turn into heat energy, also disappearing. And the Parker Solar Probe, at that speed, frictional forces would tear it apart and burn it up in the atmosphere. So really, who would win? It would be the sprinter.